Good morning students. Today we will learn unitary method. This method is very important in our day-to-day life. For example, see one example. Cost of 5 pence is rupees 50. Find the cost of 3 pence. Such situation and problems occurs in our life. So how we can solve this? Cost of 5 pence is rupees 50. So what will be the cost of 1 pen? First of all we will find the cost of 1 pen. So for the cost of 1 pen we will divide. Cost of 5 pence is rupees 50. So for 1 pen we will divide by 5, we will get rupees 10. So cost of 1 pen is 10 rupees. Now what asking? Find the cost of 3 pence. So we will find for 3 pence. So 10 into multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. So this method is called unitary method. Why we say unitary method? This unitary means for unit, one piece. That is why this method name is unitary method. We are finding for one quantity. In every question we will find for one thing. That is why this method is called unitary method. And our solution will be for this worksheet 3 lines. Always we will follow this procedure, 3 lines. This one line information, second line for one thing, and third line for asking how many things asking for that thing. One more example. This is the question number 7 of your textbook. Worksheet 3, question number 7. Question is, weight of 72 books is 9 kg. Find the weight of, there are 2 questions. One is information. This weight of 72 books is 9 kg. This is the information part. And then asking 2 questions. One is find the weight of 80 such books. And second question is how many books will weigh 6 kg. So 2 things asking. So first part A. What we have to find the weight. So you remember, find the weight मतलब जो पूछ रहा है, क्या पूछ रहा है? वेट पूछ रहा है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेट वर्ड से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वर्ड वेट. फाइंड द वेट, तो वेट से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. दिस इज द ट्रिक टू राइट, अदरवाइज देयर विल बी प्रॉब्लम इन राइटिंग. सो फाइंड द वेट ऑफ दिस. तो वेट ऑफ ये इंफॉर्मेशन लाइन है. दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन. This line which is given, this line is the information. So from this information line उसी को जमा के लिखेंगे. What asking? Weight पूछ रहा है, तो weight of 72 books is equal to 9 kg. Then weight of 1. Always we will solve for 1. So 70 in second line, weight of 1 book will be, second line will be division. How we will divide? This is 9 kg weight is for 72 book. तो एक बुक के लिए what will be the weight? 9 upon 72. Second line में this will go in division, means this will be divided by this. Here also same thing we have done. 50 divided by 5. This was the 50 and this will be, this 5 came here. Same procedure in all questions. This 9 divided by 72, and here not possible to get finite whole number, so we will cut this by 9 table and 1 upon 8 only we will write. Means we will solve when it is not possible, we will write our answer in fraction. Third line, what we have to find the weight of 80 such book. तो 72 books का 9 kg, तो 1 book का 1 upon 8 kg. तो 80 बुक्स का. अब नाउ दिस लाइन इज फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. वॉट एवर दिस आंसर दिस विल बी मल्टीप्लाई विथ 80 बुक्स. मीन्स जो पूछा है उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 80 बुक्स. सो आवर आंसर इज 10 kg. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट बी क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी बुक्स. तो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दैट नंबर ऑफ बुक्स ओनली. What asking? How many number of books? So number of books से start करेंगे. Number of books in 9 kg is equal to 72 books. Then नंबर ऑफ बुक्स इन 1 kg, 9 kg में इतना बुक है तो 1 kg में कितना बुक होगा, तो दिस 72 विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 9 इज इक्वल टू 8 बुक्स। अब कितने kg के लिए पूछा है, सी द क्वेश्चन 6 kg के लिए, तो वी विल राइट सेम थिंग, नंबर ऑफ बुक्स इन 6 kg। this arrow you can also write means this is the repeated, this portion is repeated, so in 6 kg is equal to 8 books आया है 1 kg का, तो 6 books में 8 into 6 48 books। so these are the two answers of this question। now question number 3, Arun's earning is given 3,90,000 in 1 year, find his earning in 25 weeks। now you think in question asked 25 weeks and ये earning weeks में नहीं है, this is given in year, तो जो पूछा है weeks में तो we will convert this also in weeks, in week। 1 year में कितने weeks होंगे, 52 weeks, in 1 year 52 weeks, this you have learnt in previous class। so earning in 52 weeks is equal to 3,90,000। here we will not write 1 year because here we have to solve for weeks, 25 weeks, we have to find the earning in 25 weeks, that is why this 1 year we will convert into weeks। so earning in 52 weeks is equal to this, so earning in 1 week is equal to this will be divided by this 52, then earning whatever answer we are getting this will be multiplied with, कितने weeks के लिए पूछा, 25 weeks, so this 25 will be multiplied। so by this way you will solve worksheet 3 all problems possible to solve। okay।